Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I want to talk about TikTok video replies on comments and some examples of how people are using this amazing feature to build their community, to build engagement with their fans. Now, before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. So a couple of days ago, I posted this video, TikTok video replies to comments. It was a new feature that I discovered on my TikTok, and seems like you guys loved this feature. There were a lot of questions, a lot of excitement, and it should be, because to me this is one of the best things I've seen on the platform, being able to send video replies to people who are commenting on my TikTok. Now in this video today, what I want to do is show you guys some examples of different amazing creators and how they are using this feature on their TikTok, right? All right, so let's jump into this. So I'm gonna log into TikTok. The first one is actually a friend of mine, Rodney. He shares a lot of content and really good content about wealth and finances and how do you kind of manage your money and finances. So look at this. So he is using, so this is a video reply to one of his comments, right? And here is, I believe, another one. Look at this. So, and then how do I know? So from this sticker, and also it says reply to that person. So Rodney is just really like building actually a couple of things. He is teaching people, right, by using these video responses or video replies, and he's also building engagement with these people, because people, the person that you send video replies to, they're gonna feel extra special. They're gonna engage with you a lot more, and it's gonna help you grow your brand overall and really help you become a thought leader in your community. So really good example. Rodney is using the video replies to educate his audience on the wealth management and personal finance and how to really deal with your money. So that was example number one. Obviously his account is right here, RB Financial. The second example is actually we all know this person. It's Gary V. So he is also using, and he has always engaged with audiences, his audience with Q&As and really like to help him out. But I recently saw him, he jumped on this feature as well. So this video right here, so he was basically asking people to ask him questions, and then when people asked questions, he started engaging with them. So this is the video reply to one of his fans, and then here is another video reply, and here is, I believe, another video reply, right? So he seems like he's having fun and really using this feature to the max. It is my favorite feature too, being able to send the video replies. All right, so that was example number two, and the reason I want to share these examples is because so you guys can see what's possible. You can create engagement with your community, with your fans using this feature. You can also help people and educate them, which to me is the best thing. And number three, you can also grow your personal brand. You can become a thought leader in your field or in your niche. All right, so those were two examples. The third one, obviously, you can also see, let me go back. You can also see my personal account. So I've also done some of this. So for example, right here, so someone asked a question about Facebook ads being disabled. I'm replying to that person using the video. And here is another one. So someone talking about Facebook Pixel, they had a question and I'm replying, and it's creating even like more engagement, right? And so these were like three examples: my account, Rodney, and then Gary V, to get your creative juices flowing, so you guys can start thinking about how can you use this video replies on your account, on your business, to build more engagement and grow your brand. Now, if you want more ideas, here's something that you can do. So if you go to the search bar and just search for video replies, and I'm gonna go inside hashtags, and there's gonna be I'm looking for video replies right here, and you guys are gonna find tons of other examples. If you wanna know, hey, how are other creators maybe in your niche using this feature, you can kind of like do the same thing. Go inside the hashtag video replies and just look at other people. And obviously you don't want to steal their content. You're looking for just ideas and inspiration, right? All right, now the last thing is how do you use it. So I did cover that in my initial video, but I just want to quickly show you. So let's say I'm gonna go to one of my videos and I'm gonna go inside the comments section right here. And for example, let's say there are a lot of comments here. let's say I want to reply to this comment right here. Aren't there any shipping problem from China? So I'll click on this, and then this button will appear, this red and camera, right? So when I tap on this, now I'm able to look at this. So that's my messy desk, that's me. So the sticker is right here, and then I'm able to kind of respond just like how you create the normal video inside the TikTok app. I can create 15-second, I can create 60-second, or I can use like different templates. When I post this, it will get posted on my profile just like a regular content, for example, like this. Very, very powerful. So this is it, guys. I wanted to show you some examples of how different amazing creators are using the video replies feature on the platform, and also just kind of give you guys a quick overview of how to do it again. I will link the original video where I announced this feature when I discovered it, and also did a short demo in the description below, so go check that out after watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.